Praise the Lord, family, and welcome back to our channel. We hope you all are doing well today. Hey, would y'all like to see how I achieved these two balloon columns for my daughter's 8th birthday party that only cost $5? Just keep watching and you will see. These are the items that you will need. 1 happy birthday balloon. I chose unicorn because that's the theme that they wanted. You will also need 2 packs of 15 each latex balloons and a balloon pump, which is plastic, and ribbon of any color. I chose black. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our air pump and we're going to pump up each balloon 7 times. Just like this, we're going to tie the balloon up. And one thing I like to do is take one of the opposite colors and tie it together. So 1 pink and 1 yellow. And then I'm going to repeat this step until I am done blowing up all the balloons. So now once I'm done with this process, I will take one of the pink and yellow balloons and I'm just going to twist them together. I did this part in slow motion because I wanted to share with y'all how I combine my pink and yellow. I put 1 pink at the top and 1 pink at the bottom, 1 yellow at the top and 1 yellow at the bottom. And by you twisting it this way, you know your balloons are together and they will not come apart. So just like this, all your balloons should look just like this. If you blow up 2 packs of 15 pack balloons, you shall make 7 quads. And this is how all of the balloons should look when they are all blown up. And my helpers coming to test out the balloons, of course. So now we're just going to take one of the extra balloons out of our package. And we're just going to fill it up with a little bit of water to make a balloon weight. Some people like to make their balloons weight with salt, but I do not believe in being wasteful, amen? So we're just going to fill it up a little bit and then we're going to tie it in a knot. And this is one good water weight. Now that we have our weight, we're going to tie this ribbon around the weight. This also serves as like the base of the balloon column. So I'm just going to take the ribbon, I'm going to tie it in a knot. If I could get it on there, I'm going to tie it again. I like to tie it 2 times. Just like this. I also like to leave my ribbon long in the beginning because you do not want to cut it because it will serve a purpose in a minute. So now we're going to take our first set of balloons and we're going to feed in our water weight. I always place it in the middle and I hold it with my finger in the middle just to make sure it's there. And I take my ribbon and I tie my ribbon around all the other balloons just to make sure that the weight will stay in place. Check on it and make sure it's there. Now I'm just going to wrap the ribbon around the balloons just to make sure that the weight is more in its place so that the column does not move. Make sure everything's level. Now I'm going to take my next set of balloons. This one. And I'm just going to offset the colors to give my balloon column a spiral effect. And now I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to wrap it in between the balloons. And I will repeat these steps until I am finished adding all the balloons to my balloon column. And now that I'm done, I'm just going to cut off the excess ribbon. And I'm going to grab my happy birthday balloon and my air pump again. And inside the balloon, there's this little hole. And that's where you place the air pump, inside that little hole. It's kind of sticky, so be careful with it. You gotta kind of force it in there. And we're gonna blow up the balloon until it's fully blown. Now you be the judge of this, because sometimes it looks full, but it ain't tight. Make sure it's tight so that we know that it's right. Each Dollar Tree balloon comes with its own ribbon. So now we're just gonna push this balloon in the middle, and we're gonna repeat the steps of wrapping the ribbon around the balloon just to keep the middle balloon in its place. And we're just gonna tuck in the rest of the ribbon. Doesn't that look pretty? And just like that, we are all done. $5, may I say these look very nice. Well, thanks for watching, family. Oh, and be on the lookout for next week's video, which is the girl's birthday. Be blessed.